Hello children, I am Vikesh from Mount Tazi School Jhansi. I am your science teacher. So we are moving to the another part of metal and non-metal, in which the physical property we have already completed. Now we have already completed the one part of a chemical property, that is reaction with oxygen. Now we are moving to the another part, that is a reaction with water of metal and non-metal. So reaction with water. When a metal, any metal, react with water, an oxide or hydroxide of metal is formed, and one more thing is released, that is a hydrogen gas is liberate, means release. So when metal react with water, it will form oxide or hydroxide, and one more gas, that is hydrogen gas, is released into the atmosphere. Okay, so what they have given, when sodium react with water rigorously to form sodium hydroxide, a high amount of energy is liberated during this reaction. So what they have given, 2Na, remember 2 means atom, 2 atom of Na, that is a sodium, react with water. The formula of water everybody knows, H2O, that is water, react, form sodium hydroxide, 2NaOH, plus hydrogen gas is released. Same, metals such as magnesium, aluminium and zinc react with steam to form their corresponding oxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So every time hydrogen gas is released when metal is react with water. So Mg is a formula of magnesium, then water, that is a H2O, react form magnesium oxide, that is MgO, and hydrogen gas is released into the atmosphere. Okay, but when it will come to the non-metals, so non-metal cannot react with water, that's why we will utilize most of the non-metal where water is react with them. So at the water places we will mostly use non-metals. Okay, so if we will talking about the reaction of metal with water, definitely the corrosion will be there. So what is a corrosion? The process of slow eating away of metal due to the attack of atmospheric gases and moisture on its surface is called corrosion. You have seen iron? Seen? Everybody has seen, I think so. What will happen when the water will fall or it will in the open? You have find out the reddish brownish surface, just like that. If you can see this wire, okay, if you can see this wire, this is made up by the iron, and you can find out the rust on it. Okay, this is a rusty part. If I will rub it on my finger, you will find out my finger is getting reddish color. This reddish color which you can see, this is actually a rust. When it will react with water in the presence of oxygen, this rust will form, and this is a corrosion also, because slowly it can corrode the metal, and metals are going to be end slowly, and you will not found anything. So this is called a corrosion, and you can see this rust on my finger. So let's see what actually happened. If iron is left in the open for a period of time, it slowly get deposit of brown fleck on it, which is called rusting of iron, which I have shown you. This is undesirable because it make iron weak and eat it up slowly with the passage of time, and it will make weaker and weaker that iron. So corrosion is defined as an attack of atmospheric gases and moisture on the surface of metal, making them deform and weak. So both heading, definition is same. So what is a reaction? When iron is react with water and oxygen, Fe, it is a formula of iron, then water, H2O and oxygen. These two things when react with iron, it will form rust of iron oxide, that is Fe2O3, number of water, H2O. Similarly, silver objects become black in color and lose their luster. When you will buy a silver item, they will very shiny in the starting, but slowly they get their shine. So that can also be getting rust, but not like iron, but somehow when it will react with the water and sweat. Their luster as silver react with hydrogen sulfide gas in the air. Slowly copper vessel also get coated with the greenish layer of copper carbonate. This copper I am talking about जो आपके मंदिरों में बर्तन यूज होते हैं वो कॉपर के बने हुए होते हैं. So go to the your small temple which is at your home and look at all the vessel which is used for the जो पूजा वगैरह में आप यूज करते हैं उनको आप देखिएगा. So you will find out the greenish layer on that. That is also a type of corrosion. It is formed due to the reaction of copper with carbon dioxide and water vapor present into the air. So you can see in the figure 4.5 reaction of iron with oxygen and moisture produce brown rust, and in the 4.5 reaction of copper with carbon dioxide and moisture produce greenish copper carbonate. That reaction of silver with hydrogen sulfide produce black silver sulfide. So in today's video we have discussed about the reaction of metal and non-metal with water and what is a corrosion and how the iron get rusted. Thank you.